Hi, in this video we're going to find the perimeter of a trapezium but giving our answer in exact surd form. Remember, surd is just a square root of a number. Okay, so we want the perimeter, we need to add all these lengths together. We've already got this length, and this length, so we just need to work out this one here. And the way we could do this is if we were to add an extra length, so down here like this. Oh, sorry, that's kind of done it funny. So we adding a length like this. Then you can see that we now have a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. We know that this height is 8 here because it's the 8 over here. And this length here, well, can you see that's 3? That length's 3, so this length's 3, but this whole length is 6. So if we do the 6 minus the 3, we get this as 3 as well. 6 minus 3 is 3, so that length is 3. And then we can use Pythagoras theorem to find this third length of this right angle triangle. Now remember how Pythagoras theorem works? If you label the shorter sides of the triangle as A and B, doesn't matter which way round, and the hypotenuse, which is the longest length of the right angle triangle, as C, which is always opposite the right angle here, then Pythagoras theorem states that one of the shorter length squared plus the other shorter length squared is equal to the length of the hypotenuse squared. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now A is 8, so we've got 8 squared plus B squared. B is 3. 3 squared is equal to C squared. So just leave it as C. Now 8 squared plus 3 squared is 64 plus 9, which is 73. And then if C squared is 73, we square root both sides to get rid of that squared. So C is a square root of 73. And what you'd usually do is you'd try to simplify this surd. So we find any square numbers which are factors of that to simplify it. But 73 is a prime number, so it doesn't have any square factors other than 1. So we can't simplify that. So now we can find the perimeter. The perimeter is just going to be the sum of all the lengths. So it's just going to be the 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus this C, which we worked out was root 73. So it's 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus root 73. And then, well, 3 plus 8 plus 6 is 17. So we get 17 plus root 73. And we can't simplify that any further. It said it wants the answer in exact form. So we need to leave that square root in there. If we gave it a decimal, we would have to round it, and therefore the answer would not be exact.